Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. Let's say guys you have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and you have any of the following codes. I'm talking about code P0225 P0226 P0227 P0228 or P0229. If you have any of these codes guys, we'll explain most likely what causes that. It could be multiple things. Stay with us until the end and we're going to explain about each of those things and what to look for as well. Now also in addition we'll share which computer you use, because many of you actually guys requested that information, and that computer works practically on any car and it can pay itself off in one-time use. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, we have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata here that we are working on, 2013 Sonata. So this is the throttle body right here guys. This is our throttle body. We removed it. We have a special video that explains how to replace throttle body or how to remove throttle body on Hyundai Sonata. But most of the times, 90% of the time you'll have problems with the throttle body or the wiring harness coming to the throttle body. Make sure it's not broken, loose, anything like that. Be careful, the radiator fan is there. We'll recommend to have the car battery disconnected, and if you do disconnect the car battery you have to follow certain procedure. Something else guys, that throttle body guys, it could be just dirty. Check this thing out. We clean half of it and the other one is only at 80,000 miles. So now, if you clean the throttle body and clean everything really good, it may not be sticking, it may be performing good again. So we would definitely recommend guys try cleaning the throttle body, inspect the wiring harness, see if that fixes the problem. Now let me tell you a little bit about the computer that we use guys, Maxicom. That thing is amazing. You can actually guys, you can scan, read and delete codes from every computer in your Hyundai Sonata. And if I go all the way out, let me show you now. If I go out, you're going to see that we actually guys can do diagnostics on any car almost you can think of. So definitely guys, it's a computer that's worth it in my opinion. Definitely a computer that you should have guys, and it can pay itself off in one-time use. What else it can cause that? If you come inside guys on your Hyundai Sonata, you have one more thing that can cause that, any of those codes, and that's the accelerator pedal guys. Right here you have the multiple sensors on top, so it could be a bad accelerator pedal. Now we'll have a video that explains how to test that pedal, so you will need to check the video guys. We'll have it on the channel, how to test the accelerator pedal and make sure that this is not the problem. If you want to see the video, it will be on our channel. I will try to put even the link in the description of the video below, how to test accelerator pedal. But 90% of the time it will be related to throttle body. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.